guys, welcome to my video again. If you see my tour house, that means you're so lucky. I haven't watched it because I need to make another video. What's this? Current round. Hey, let's just wait until it's ready, then wait. Let's wait, guys. I'm just waiting here. It's ready. Ready. Yes! It's done! The timer's gone, so that means it's done? I think so. Yes! Hey, pray to me that I'm gonna be sheriff in PS4. I wanna try that in my whole life. I already tried murder on PS4, but you haven't seen me try to do that. But I will do it now for you guys. Let's go! Hey! Oh! We're innocent. That's sad. But if the sheriff dies, I will be the next sheriff. Hey, he's cheating! Why he can run fast? No, 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 no. I'm not going close to anybody. Hey! Hey! Go see. Let's cheer. Let's cheer, guys. Wee! Wee! I cannot move any. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. House 2. What's this avatar? Pogi. You're not Pogi. Hindi ikaw Pogi ka. Boy. You're not Pogi. What's avatar is called? Oh, oh. No, 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 no. No! I thought I got sheriff. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I can see the on top of the ceiling right now. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Who's the murderer? No! The murderer is after me. Wow! The murderer! The murderer is after me. Hey! The murderer is not after me now. Where is he? Where is she? Huh? How's that possible? I'm still literally like laughing at this guy's avatar. No, I don't like that. That's disturbing. Hotel 2. Hotel 2, guys. This is my favorite like map. Hotel 2. You could climb in any places like wee wee. So what's this? Can I climb in there or no? I'm gonna try. Uh, OMG. Go guys. Guys, why I always forget? I always forget this. Did I say welcome to my video or no? I don't know. I don't know, guys. Oh, nah. Cannot get me. Try to get me. Bad aim. I'm not toxic, guys. I'm just like, ah! Bro, you jump scared me. Okay, guys, you didn't see anything and you didn't see me scream, right? You better not. Okay, yeah. Be back to normal. Infinity. Be back to normal. 2. Mansion 2. That's actually my favorite. Number 2 favorite. And Hotel A. Factory is my number 3 favorite. Factory. Pick that. Oh man. I got to go here. I just wake up my guy. Let's go. Ah! Why am I always getting innocent? Just give me some law. I'm gonna have it. Who is Zelek was you? Who is Zelek? Hey! What's this? Fish part. Hey no! I was to get some McDonald's. Summer. I wanna go to summer if I can. I said no. I okay. I will try to get a lot of like beach balls so I can get water balloon and sand bucket. But it's because water balloon can fling people. I'm gonna try to learn that in TikTok. Oh my gosh. I hating this. I want to be just one sheriff and one murder. Just give me that. Now I would be okay. Yeah, don't care about the don't care about the dogs. We're just gonna play here. No, you're dead, my brother. Who's the murderer? He's the murderer. Who is that? Who is that? Bro, who is that? He, if you see that, ban her. That's not cool. That's not slick. Bro, actually, oh no. Why can I not report people on? No, I don't want to reset. I wanna ban. No, guys, we cannot ban. If you see that name, what's the name again? If you see that name, you see the name is EU. You know, E like this. EURURIRO. You can see that. You can see. You can see. It's so fast. So fast, guys. Okay. If you see this one, ban her now. Ban her now. Guys, ban her now. You can see, ban her now. If you see this girl, you see that, ban her now. Now let's go back to the video. Bakaboo. Holy cow. Nah. Bro, I just wanna be sheriff. Sheriff for the first time. I hate hackers. Because hackers always win. And if I try to report them, they're gonna report me and hate me. Bro, I hate hacker. I'm not getting through there. I know he's gonna shot me. Yo! You shot me. Do you got any aim? Wow! Yeah! No. No! She's trying to glitch him out so she can get the gun. Kill her now! Murderer! Kill her now! Murderer, you're... Did she die? No! The gun! It was supposed to be mine. Ha! Okay guys, I'm switching servers now. Okay guys, I'm ready joining another server. So guys. Wait. Yes, this is not the same. It's not the same. Go. Mansion do. Go. I know this is secret here. Nicholas? Eh, so, 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 so. No! I just want to be sheriff for one time. That would keep me shut up for a while. Now hide here. Hello guys. Hello guys. I don't know why my face looking like that. That's so Clark. James Clark. I am James Clark. That's so scary. Ah, that guy's looking suspicious. Who's suspicious, right? Oh no, they have ninja. They have ninja. They have ninja. They have ninja. I cannot hear any music. That means they have ninja. Oh no. What the? Hey yo! Bro's lagginess literally killed me. Bro's lagginess killed me. What's this dance? I'm annoying him. If you see this, nature leave the game easily. If this actually lag, that's so cool. I want that one. Like you can lag and you could kill them easily. Like teleport, teleport, Tele- teleport to me. Ew, that's so cool. Ew. Wait, she doesn't. He didn't step on it. That's sad. No, not at workplace. Yeah. Look at my feet. Dang, my feet is like orange. Yes! Yes, I'm the sheriff! I'm the sheriff! Hey, yo. Hey, I know bro's the murd. I know who's the murd. Who's the murd? Coin bot. That's a coin bot. Didn't see anything, guys. You didn't see anything. Why have I always ending with this game? Chicken, a new server, new avatar. One is called Chicken, but his name is called Snoop Dogg. He's not a dog. He's Grinch, but white edition. Oh, oh. Why people like pets? You could easily find them. Remove pets now. Don't ever buy any pets. Just buy boombox. That's so funny. Boombox, you could annoy them with loud music like. Nah, I'm not gonna shout that card. Guys, I tried to do the challenge like the boy had one in my TV. And it doesn't work. And I'm never gonna do that. And I don't know why I watched that. And people, every MM2 players are confess are literally armed with first hackers. I hate hackers really bad. So really bad. Bro, I don't like that hackers. Hey, I wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you. He's dancing. Hey, 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 hey. Everybody literally buying that one literally like avatar, that animation to just be fast on the game. I got the gun. I got the gun. Guys, I got the gun. Where's the merc, guys? What is happening in the time? Where's the merc, guys? Where's the merc? Move! Bro! I don't wanna die! Ah! 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 The murderer! The murderer is here! Ah! Mr. Chicken! I'm gonna revenge you, Mr. Chicken. I know this right there. Run! 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 I hate small people. Stop! I'm still here. I tricked bro. Prito na manok ay isang sarap-sarap. Ah! Run! I hate small people. You agree with me? Spam jumpers. I hate spam jumpers, bro. Like spam jumpers is the most. Ah! I hate this. I don't like it anymore. I don't like it. Bro. Bro, I don't like this. Why's the time like that? Why's the time like that, guys? Guys, why's the time like that? Is he a hacker? No. I don't know. Is he a hacker? Wait, guys, wait. Okay, guys, we're back in the game. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, guys, don't mind that. Yow! Yow! Hi, bro. Is bro camping? Is the gun there? Oh, silly camper. Oh, silly camper. You camper! I misshot my camping skills. Okay guys, I actually defeated that camper. You could see in the camera. So you could see in the spectate. This is the camper. Na I really don't like campers. Who agree with me? Oh. Okay guys, I just got killed at the other game. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's go back. Factory. Let's dance. Who like my coconut? It's the best ever thing I tasted. Coconut. Coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Coconut. I will try to get them. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Gonna be good. Gonna be good. Go. Wow. Go. I cannot get up there easily. No! No, bro! I know it's him! I know it's him! Run away! He's the murderer! Ah! Why are you aiming me? Why are you aiming me? Why is he aiming me? Bro's right there. No. Is that she or he? It's he. It's he. Bro, sheriff, 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 sheriff! Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me! I don't want to get shooted. Ah! What is that? Sheriff, can you just shoot? Just shoot him! It's already right. No. Are we good? Are we good? Are we good, bro? No, we're not good. Bro, just shoot him! Just shoot him completely! Bro! Ah! Shoot him completely! Bro! Ah! Cool. Oh, no! Spam jumper. Move! Sacrifice yourself, my brother. Boom! Spam jumper, huh? Spam jumper, more like trash jumper. I hate spam jumpers, camper, teaming, and of course, aiming. That's the most baddest thing. Military base. I wanna fly really hard. Okay, guys. Okay. Guys, I'm the murderer. Guys, I'm the murderer. You know what will I do, guys? Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Hey, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Come back here. I'm not the murderer. Hello, another. You dummy. Are you there? I don't got to be no suspicious.
Bakit is Lumabo lang mata ko eh. Hindi ka chill. Yung isang gusto ko, yung sa wall, yung cross. Yun ang gusto ko. Nasa lumabo ang mata ko kaya hindi.
Don't wanna,
Hindi mo bakit list ko eh.
don't wanna go first. Don't wanna go
Nagkaroon ako
first.
ng yung isang bucket list na although hindi sa yung sa slum area pupunta.
GG, bro.
Mag-aano ng service. Nagawa ko na yun, sinapa ko.
I got scared for a minute.
Hindi naman ganun ko. Karural.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video, and
Karular.
see you to the next video. Bye.
Karural. Ano yan? Hindi ganun
Bye.
Nagawa ko